Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Dell Alienware 16-inch WQXGA laptop represents a sophisticated intersection of high-performance gaming hardware and professional-grade workstation capabilities. At the heart of this machine is the Intel Core i7-14700 processor, which utilizes a 10-core architecture to manage a wide variety of computing tasks. This specific processor configuration is designed to provide a balance between high-speed performance for demanding applications and energy efficiency for background processes. With a price point sitting at approximately $2,059, this laptop enters the market as a premium solution for users who require significant local resources for their daily digital activities. The inclusion of 64 GB of DDR5 memory and a 2 TB solid-state drive highlights a commitment to longevity and multitasking capacity. The visual experience is anchored by a 16-inch display featuring a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, which provides a 16:10 aspect ratio that is becoming increasingly popular for its extra vertical space. This laptop is not merely a gaming device but a comprehensive mobile computing platform that integrates the latest in graphics technology with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, which features 8 GB of GDDR7 memory. When considering the build and design of this Alienware model, it is evident that the engineering team focused on creating a chassis that can sustain high performance over long periods. The 16-inch form factor is a deliberate choice that offers a larger viewing area than traditional 15-inch models without becoming as cumbersome as the older 17-inch variants. This size allows for a more robust thermal management system, which is critical when housing a 10-core processor and a dedicated graphics card. The cooling architecture typically involves a series of heat pipes and high airflow fans designed to pull cool air in and exhaust hot air out of the rear and sides of the device. This focus on thermals ensures that the components can run at their intended clock speeds without being throttled by heat. The aesthetic remains consistent with the established design language of the brand, featuring clean lines and a backlit keyboard that provides both visual flair and functional utility in low-light environments. The keyboard is designed for tactile feedback, which is beneficial for both rapid typing and precise gaming inputs. Additionally, the integration of a 720p high-definition camera and standard Wi-Fi connectivity makes the device ready for modern communication needs right out of the box. The use of Windows 11 Pro as the operating system further suggests a design intended for professional environments where advanced security and networking features are a priority. The performance of this laptop is defined by its internal components and how they interact to handle complex workloads. The Intel Core i7-14700 processor features 6 performance cores and 4 efficient cores, creating a total of 16 threads. This hybrid design allows the system to intelligently distribute tasks. For example, the performance cores can focus on a heavy video render or a high frame rate game, while the efficient cores handle background updates or browser tabs. This prevents the system from stuttering when multiple applications are open. The 64 GB of DDR5 memory is perhaps the most significant performance feature for a machine in this class. Most standard laptops ship with 16 or 32 GB, but 64 GB provides a massive buffer that is nearly impossible to saturate with standard consumer tasks. This amount of memory is particularly useful for users working with large datasets, virtual machines, or high-resolution video timelines where the system needs to keep vast amounts of data ready for immediate access. The 2 TB solid-state drive complements this by providing fast read and write speeds, which significantly reduces boot times and software loading screens. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with its 8 GB of GDDR7 memory brings a new level of efficiency to the graphics department. GDDR7 offers higher bandwidth than its predecessors, allowing the GPU to move data more quickly, which results in smoother performance at the native WQXGA resolution. This resolution is especially important because it provides a sharper image than standard high definition, which makes text easier to read and allows for more detail in creative work. The target audience for this specific Alienware configuration is quite broad, but it is most suited for those who sit at the crossroads of creative production and enthusiast gaming. A graphic designer or a video editor would find the 16:10 aspect ratio and the 64 GB of RAM incredibly beneficial for their workflow, as it allows for more visible layers and faster rendering times. Software developers who need to run multiple containers or virtual environments will appreciate the high core count and the substantial memory overhead. Furthermore, the inclusion of Windows 11 Pro makes it a viable option for corporate professionals who need a powerful machine that can also comply with company security protocols and domain joining requirements. While it is certainly a capable gaming machine, the hardware choices suggest it is intended for someone who views their laptop as a primary tool for both productivity and entertainment. It is for the user who does not want to worry about system limitations for the next several years. Students in technical fields like engineering or architecture would also find this machine useful because it can handle the demanding simulation and modeling software required for their coursework while still being portable enough to carry between a dorm and a lecture hall. In a balanced assessment of the Dell Alienware 16-inch laptop, it is clear that the machine offers a high degree of utility for a specific type of user. The roughly $2,000 investment secures a device with an exceptional amount of memory and a very capable modern processor. The move to a 16-inch WQXGA screen is a positive trend that improves the user experience for almost every type of task. However, there are always trade-offs to consider in high-performance portable computing. The focus on power and cooling naturally leads to a device that is heavier than a standard office laptop, which might be a consideration for those who travel frequently. While the RTX 5060 is a modern and efficient graphics card, users looking for the absolute highest possible frame rates in 4K resolution might find themselves looking toward even higher tier configurations. The 720p camera is functional for standard video calls but may feel basic compared to the high-end nature of the rest of the components. Ultimately, this laptop stands as a well-rounded and powerful machine that avoids the common bottleneck of insufficient memory. It is a reliable choice for anyone who needs a high-performance computer that can handle the most demanding modern software while providing a premium visual and tactile experience. The combination of the Intel i7-14700 and the 64 GB of RAM ensures that this laptop will remain relevant and capable for a long time, making it a sensible choice for those who prioritize long-term performance over the lowest possible price. It successfully bridges the gap between a dedicated gaming rig and a high-end professional workstation. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.